What happens when you want supercar level performance, luxury, and electric technology, but you don't want to pay the price of a brand new car? One interesting option is a used Tesla Model S P100D. The P100D was built for serious performance, but it also offers the comfort and practicality of a four-door luxury sedan. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what it's like to own a used Model S P100D, its features, performance, comfort, and some important things you should consider before buying one. Let's get started. Exterior. From the outside, the Model S still has a clean and futuristic design. Even though some used P100D models are several years old, the shape still looks modern. The low roofline, wide body, large wheels, and smooth aerodynamic design give the Model S a sporty appearance. And of course, one of the best parts is the P102B badge. It tells you that this isn't just an ordinary Model S. Performance. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people buy the 100 peso. Performance. The Model S P100D uses dual electric motors and all-wheel drive. Electric motors deliver torque almost instantly, and that's what makes this car so exciting. When you press the accelerator, the response is immediate, and with Ludicrous Mode, the acceleration can be absolutely incredible. This is a car that can take you from a comfortable daily drive to a serious performance experience with just one press of the accelerator. And that's what makes the P100D so special. You're driving a luxury sedan, but it can feel like you're driving a performance car. Interior. Inside, the Model S offers a minimalist and technology-focused cabin. The large center touchscreen controls many of the vehicle's functions. You can use it for navigation, entertainment, climate controls, vehicle settings, and other features. The cabin is also very quiet compared with a traditional gasoline-powered car. There's no engine noise dominating the cabin, so the driving experience feels smooth and peaceful. For a used vehicle, the interior condition is something I would definitely inspect carefully. Look at the seats, steering wheel, touchscreen, door panels, carpets, and other high-touch areas. A well-maintained Model S can still feel very premium. Technology. Tesla's technology is another major attraction. Depending on the specific year and configuration, a used Model S P100D may have features such as autopilot, premium audio, navigation, smartphone connectivity, heated seats, and other technology features. Tesla's over-the-air software updates can also add improvements and new functionality without requiring a traditional dealership visit. However, remember that features can vary significantly between model years and individual vehicles, so before buying a used P100D, check exactly what equipment and software features are included with that particular car. Battery and range. Now let's talk about one of the most important things when buying a used electric car, the battery. The P100D was equipped with a large battery pack, but battery condition matters. Over time, battery capacity can decrease. That means a used P100D may not deliver the same real-world range it had when it was new. Before buying one, check the vehicle's charging performance and available range. If possible, review the car's history and have the vehicle inspected by someone familiar with Tesla vehicles. Battery health is one of the biggest things I would consider before purchasing a used Model S P100D. Maintenance and ownership. One advantage of an electric vehicle is that it doesn't have many traditional gasoline engine maintenance items. There is no oil change, spark plugs, or traditional engine transmission to maintain. But that doesn't mean a used Model S is maintenance-free. You should still pay attention to the suspension, tires, brakes, cooling system, air conditioning, charging equipment, door handles, touchscreen, and other components. And because this is a performance car, tires can become an important ownership expense. Before buying, I would strongly recommend getting a professional inspection and reviewing the vehicle's service history. Is a used P100D worth it? So, is a used Tesla Model S 100 peso worth buying? For the right buyer, it can be very tempting. You get impressive acceleration, all-wheel drive, luxury, technology, lots of storage space, and the unique experience of driving a high-performance electric sedan. But don't buy one just because the used price looks attractive. The purchase price is only part of the cost. Battery condition, maintenance history, tires, suspension, charging equipment, insurance, and potential repairs should all be considered. A well-maintained example with a good history can be much more attractive than a cheaper car that has been neglected. A well-maintained example with a good history can be much more attractive than a cheaper car that has been neglected. Final impression. Overall, the used Tesla Model S P100D is still an exciting car. It combines performance, technology, luxury, and practicality in a way that few cars can match. And for someone who wants a fast electric car without paying the original new car price, a used P100D can be an interesting option. But do your homework. Check the battery, inspect the vehicle, review its history, verify the features, and make sure the car fits your budget beyond the purchase price. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Tesla videos, driving impressions, tips, and ownership content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.